Hey there, what's going on, stackers and clackers? Welcome to another coin unboxing on the channel, and today we are doing a $50 coin grab bag from CoinHelpU. Daniel has always been treating me well. He's a great guy. Go check him out on YouTube. Go also check out his site at PlymouthCoinShop.com. And let's go ahead and rip open into this package and see what we got from a $50 coin grab bag. Wow, okay, this is a little bit bigger of one. So the last one I got was significantly smaller. So we got a very fat thing to open today, which is very exciting. I always like opening the big things. Those are always a little bit more fun. So let's see what we got. Try not to bend anything. It might be a Let's see. Pog. Give me one moment as I struggle. Boom! Everywhere. Alright, first off, let's get to the big thing. 1971 Eisenhower Uncirculated silver dollar. Okay. Ooh, it has a little sleeve and everything. That's pretty interesting. I like it. Cool. Good looking dollar. Good looking dollar. And it has the Eisenhower Uncirculated silver dollar next to it. 40% silver, Eisenhower dollar coin. These coins are produced in the same manner for general circulation. The only difference being is they contain 40% silver, whereas those made for regular will be nickel. Awesome. Good to know. Well, cool. That's actually really cool. Yeah, I'm probably going to end up keeping that one for my personal collection. Put that back in the sleeve. Cool. What else do we find today? Ooh, that's a good looking San Francisco proof. Oh, from Utah, 2007 San Francisco proof. Very good looking coin. And what is this? Oh, another proof. This one is also a San Francisco from Wyoming. Wyoming San Francisco proof. Next up, oh, a 2017 P225th Perth Mint and anniversary. Cool. That one looks a little bit different than the normal ones, I think. I don't know. I'll look into that. Next, coming up, we have a 1937 Buffalo nickel, legible date. Denver 1937. We got a proof 2002. Hey, that's my birth year. Awesome. San Francisco. Cool. Oh, a 2000. Oh, wow, that's a really weird looking proof. A year 2000 San Francisco proof. Cool. Next up, we got a 1974 proof. Wow, look at all the proofs. This is awesome. I love this. San Francisco. Cool. Whoa, look at that baby. Is that? Wow. That's a good looking coin. So I'm trying to admire it for myself. 1943. That is a really shiny walk and half. That is a beautiful coin. Cool. Next up, one of my least favorites on the channel, John Quincy Adams dollar coin. Cool. Next up, what is this? A 1943. We got a silver 35% war nickel. Nice. San Francisco. Cool. Unfortunately, my phone ran out of storage while I was recording this video. This has happened before, but these are some of my other pulls. I got that 40% half dollar there, and then I got this 90% 1935 walker. 2 walkers in this coin bag. That was awesome. I really do love my walking Liberty halves and my quarters, my standing Liberties. I love those too. But then, surprise, we got an 1897 O. That's a key date, 1897 barber diamond. I don't know much about barbers, but I looked them up on eBay, and these are going for some serious cash. But thank you all so much for dropping by. Please subscribe, like, comment if you feel like you need to, and I really appreciate the support, guys. Weekly coin bags are something that I really enjoy doing, and I hope to keep bringing them to you guys. Thank you all so much. You guys have a blessed day. Keep stacking, keep clacking. Later.